Safety management has never been easier with SALUS's safety management platform. Purpose-built for the construction industry, if you're ready to simplify a complex safety environment, SALUS is for you. With SALUS, you can take your pre-existing workflows and replicate them in a digital environment to streamline your field-level safety program. An efficient digital workflow enables you to focus on the things that matter, like compliance, to close the loop on corrective actions to make your job site safer. Follow me as I walk you through an overview of our platform and show you firsthand what it can do and how it'll help you with SALUS step by step. The SALUS platform contains both the SALUS Desktop and SALUS Mobile apps, which work together to set up and manage your workflows on site. SALUS Desktop is for administrators and is used to set up, configure, and monitor the platform, whereas SALUS Mobile is for use in the field by workers on the move. In this video, you'll see how the two work together to centralize your safety forms and data easily and efficiently. Paper forms are truly in the past. With digital forms, you and your site workers have unlimited access to forms and documents wherever and whenever you need them. Set up your forms easily on SALUS Desktop and keep track of them for visibility and reporting purposes. With automatic filters and search capabilities, you'll be ready for audits and client requests with the push of a button. Workers on site have the forms you set up available to them, which they can fill out via SALUS Mobile whenever they're required to. These can also be shared and collaborated on in real time, signed and submitted on the platform, with all submitted forms available on the platform as your single source of truth moving forward. Save the time you spend chasing down paperwork from subcontractors. Using SALUS, you can get your subs set up to use the same platform as your own workers do. Empower your subcontractors to submit their own forms or to complete yours as needed. You'll know who's compliant and who's to follow up with at a glance through the Subcontractor Dashboard. Track and manage your assets, such as vehicles and other large pieces of equipment, in one place by creating asset profiles in SALUS. With SALUS, asset logbooks, maintenance records, inspection forms, and documents are all kept in one centralized location so you have your assets history available and easily accessible. You can set up reminders to stay up to date and on time with regular maintenance and inspections. Submitted inspection forms get stored within the selected assets profile in addition to the profile of the worker who filled it out. Manual certificate management can be a nightmare. Save time and your sanity with SALUS's end-to-end certificate management tool. Certificates are uploaded by either an administrator or the worker themselves and stored in the worker's profile, which serves as a digital wallet while out on site. Access the certificates dashboard on SALUS Desktop for easy visibility into your organization's certificate compliance, which includes high-level reporting, expiration management, and notifications. SALUS's Actions feature is a powerful way to assign tasks, corrective actions, and follow up to ensure they're being completed. Create and assign action items through forms or notifications and assign them to workers as you go, with this feature being available on both SALUS Desktop and mobile. The Actions area on SALUS Desktop allows you to monitor the actions submitted, to track them, and identify actions that are overdue for remediation. Use the provided filters to zero in to a specific site, worker, or time frame, follow up where necessary, and keep tabs on progress in real time. Create and track incidents on a worksite using the SALUS Incident Tracker. Set up your own categories and types to gain insight into the common trends and causes of your incidents across your organization. Your incident cases act as a repository for all forms, documents, and information related to a particular incident, which allows you to easily find what you need in one place. SALUS's compliance modules are a great way to monitor your team's required safety documentation in real time. Create customizable compliance modules based on specific site or group of workers to give you a bird's eye view of who is and isn't submitting their forms on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Efficiency with tracking and following up with your workers are only a few clicks away, which ensures your compliance and safety requirements are being met. That's a quick overview of the key features that are available to you on the SALUS platform. Using SALUS as a digital repository, you can configure all your current workflows to work for you. Streamline and centralize the collection and management of all your safety documentation, certificates, assets, actions, and incidents all in one place.